My air conditioning is blinking 88 and all the others are blinking.
What's the brand and model of your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
GEAHC 10 liters YQ1.
How long has this been going on with your air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
This is the first time I've had to change the filter, it's brand new.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I have unplugged from the wall, reset it, and turned off my circuit breaker in my house. Nothing seems to work to get the 88 from blinking and the rest of the light.
Hi, my name is Mike. I'm sorry you are having this issue. I have accepted your question and will be happy to help you. Please note my hours are 6:30 p.m. to 5 a.m. MST, Mountain Standard Time. If you reach me within that time frame, I should be able to immediately respond. However, at times it may take a little while for a response depending on workload. Outside of that time frame, my response will likely be much longer. Please reply to this message so we can get started. Thanks so much, Mike. Smile. One thing you can try is resetting the unit. Shut it off for 15 minutes at the breaker, then power it back on. This should get it back on track. If this does not work and you need more help, please don't hesitate to ask more questions. Smile.
I have already done what you've asked me to do, it's not working.
Is this a window or portable AC unit? 88 and all the other light on will typically mean the control board has a critical fault and will need to be replaced. Now if this is AE8 error, this can mean that the ambient temperature is too high for the unit to operate. Ambient temperature or ambient humidity is too high.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.